Miss Zainab. How are you today? Fine. My name is Jana. Today is Wednesday. The month is February 3, 2021. The lesson is about the vowels. What is the vowels? The vowels is A, E, I, O, U. Here we have two sounds for the vowels. Short sound and long sound. We have talking and finish it for the short sound. A, I, a, I, a. Today we are talking about the long sound. The first letter with the long sound is A. A. The long sound A have three cases, which is vowel, vowel, consonant. Example about pain. Pain. I have to write P. If we have A and I, we don't say say A, because it's long sound. Pale. Sorry, miss. Pain, not pale. We don't read I because it is silent letter. Pale. Pale. Another example, tail. 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 Another example, rail. Rail. Rail.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ms. Zainab. Goodbye.